Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to send emails from Mailchimp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Mailchimp website right here at mailchimp.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you are going to be greeted by this home page right here. This is going to be the main page from where we can get started. So in this home page, we can now get started logging in. The first thing we need to do is log into our Mailchimp account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is sign up button right here. Use the sign up button to go and create your account. It's going to enable you to choose whatever plan you want to use. You have your standard plan, premium plan, and so on. All the options you can choose are right here. So once you've gotten with your account set up and ready to go, now we can get started and we can take a look at getting started with sending our emails. So we have this article right here that we can follow. So basically on the official Mailchimp website, we have the steps we need to do to be able to send an email. And here we have this, you can see before you start, we want to log in just like I showed you so that we can get started with sending our emails. Once you've logged in and greeted by the dashboard, your dashboard is going to appear right here from where you can get started with accessing all the options that you have in Mailchimp. Then we can get started creating the mail. So you're going to click the create button that's going to appear once you have logged in. In your dashboard, the create button is going to open up the drop down menu. So in that drop down menu, click the email option and then we can get started clicking begin. So it's going to enable you to enter in the recipient, the mail, and everything just like any other email service. So using this option from Mailchimp, you can get started with it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.